carpet layers are here. Looks like they're putting down the tack board. Oh yeah. So we got tack board going down. And then we got a threshold board here for the threshold. Let's. Alright, looks like they got the carpet here on the trailer for Bert, and that's the color of the carpet. Gonna look great. But yeah, all these materials, sweet. Oh yeah. We're gonna watch him go down the steps with it. Holy moly. Turn some lights on for this guy. Oh. Oh my gosh, that's hard work. Oh yeah. Oh man. Perfect. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh, this is crazy. Alright, looks like may need a, we're probably gonna have a smaller piece over there. But yeah. Really help. Woo! Awesome, bro. Yeah. Bring it down. Calm down. Small space. He's getting it in there. Nice. Alright, got all the equipment here. Stretcher, stamper, hard worker, because wow. You guys look at this closet. It's gonna look beautiful. I'm gonna get out of your way. They are on it. Wow. Whew. That's where the scene's gonna be. Oh yeah, old school stuff.
Mm-hmm.
Let the stretchy tool out. There. Got that corner in over there. Looking good. Now,
Yep.
and this is the first time I've ever seen this, so. I've seen a lot of carpet go down, but I've never seen them seam anything.
Nope.
It's kind of an old school thing.
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah. Look at this. Right in the movie room. Oh, look at that. Threshold. Wow. You guys see the same at all? Nope. Look at this. This is why we call the professionals. Oh my. I just got done kicking this in. Very nice. Alright, let's go to the bedroom and see what we got in there. Ooh, yeah. Other than the caulking that needs to be done, but wow. Oh my gosh. We're almost at the end, people. Oh, there's some painting area there. Look at that. Oh my gosh. You did this closet. You did a good job in this closet, man.
Oh, man.
It's a good job in this closet.
Oh, thank you.
Oh yeah. Look at this. Oh my gosh. What? What? Look at this circus, guys. First vacuum. So cool.